Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about how you can add the Google account in your device OnePlus 9RT. Before starting my video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's move toward the topic. If you want to add the Google account or if you want to set up the Google account in Chrome in your device OnePlus 9RT, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can add the Google account to your device. Let's watch it.